so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh. Thanks, Patrice. And when I'm 60, I'll remember what I looked like. It's like I went there. Look at me. Okay, so we found a trail that is going to take us to the falls. It's the Cataract Trail. So we found it. We're hoping that we can get there in like 10 to 15 minutes. But look how beautiful. It's like nature all around. Just nature. It's like the best. So yeah, we're hoping to get to the falls soon. And then get to our main destination. It's just so good. Like honestly, being out in nature is life. Everything. Oh, I think I can hear the water. Oh, I hear rumbling. I think we're getting close. I definitely hear the water. I hear rumbling. Hey, hey, the water's coming. Yes, girl. Yes. Woo! Oh, look at the, they're here. This is, oh, they're here. It is cute. What? Oh yeah, look guys. Oh, you do? Look. Oh. This is hella cute. You can't be bothered? It is actually pretty cute. I like. Where?
I think it's right at the end of the river where they said.
Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh look, these ones are more powerful, Patrice. Look. Oh my God, you guys, do you see it? Like, look. The falls are like right here. Right under the bridge. Oh my God! Is there a way to see it from like downstairs or something?
That's what I'm wondering.
So pretty. It's beautiful. It's so cute. Oh my God. Okay, I hear some. Oh, we're done? Oh, we're going around?
Yeah.
Okay. We have finally made it to Elora Quary. It only took us how long? Actually, it wasn't that bad. I'm exaggerating. It looks real nice. It looks quite quaint. So gonna go, I had to go change, put on my bathing suit. I was gonna say first bathing suit of 2021, but that is a lie because I went to, where did I go? Mexico? Where did I go? Cuba? No, Dominican Republic. I meant, having a moment. Okay, this is the bathroom. Okay. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This bathroom. I had to put on my mask. Oh, this bathroom's awful. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I regret not having changed. Fudge. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna put on my mask. Alright, I'm going in. I'll be back. Okay, first impressions.
Oh my gosh.
What are our first impressions?
It's not quite what I expected, but it's still beautiful.
Yeah.
Ish.
Ish. I know.
Yeah.
We'll make the most of it.
Yeah,
It's
we will.
yeah. It's
Yeah,
okay.
the water
We'll
is
make-
cool and
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
It's very scenic
Yes. Very.
around the area.
We just don't look to that side.
Yes.
Just we'll focus on this side. You guys, let me give you a tour, okay, of what it looks like. So here we go. As usual, ready? Okay, pretty cool. All right. I think it's okay. Yes. Whew. Okay, we're going all the way in. All the way in. All the way up. All the way up. Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. All the way in.
I just went to my neck.
That's okay. That's better. Woo. Okay. All right. I'm good.
Okay, at least it doesn't.
That's what you
Sorry. The water's extremely cold, but it's nice.
I know. We need the sun to come back out. It's a problem. Okay. Pictures. Goes deeper.
Yeah.
Okay, you
What are
ready?
you trying to do? Go to the neck?
Yeah. One.
I can't do it. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Did you go? Shimmy. I'm so cold.